To the corridors of justice now, and Nakuru Town East MP David Gikaria can breathe a temporary sigh of relief after the High Court suspended a fine slapped on him by the electoral body IEBC over alleged voter bribery allegations. Justice Wilfrida Musyoka suspended enforcement of sanctions against the MP, including payment of a 2.5 million fine slapped on him. And Musungu with the details.
Honorable David Gikaria is hereby condemned to pay a fine of Kenya shillings 2.5 million within 48 hours of this determination.
Only a day after the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission imposed a 2.5 million penalty on Nakuru Town East MP David Gikaria of electoral misconduct, the High Court has suspended the implementation of the disciplinary measures. Justice Wilfrida Musyoka certified Gikaria's application as urgent and issued interim orders suspending enforcement of the IEBC sanction. The judge said the dispute raises broader constitutional and electoral questions that could shape future election management as the country prepares for the 2027 general election. However, the MP has been directed to formally serve the IEBC and the Electoral Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee with the court documents within 7 days. The court's directive follows a determination by the IEBC's Electoral Code of Conduct Enforcement Committee, which found David Gikaria culpable of electoral misconduct after reviewing evidence presented before it. The committee concluded that the legislature breached provisions of Electoral Code of Conduct by allegedly using his influence to offer benefits capable of influencing voters, conduct expressly prohibited under Kenya's electoral law and regulations governing political campaigns.
Evidence presented before this committee be referred to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions to investigate potential offences under the Election Offences Act. If established, the said Honorable David Gikaria be prosecuted criminally under the law.
At the center of the controversy are videos recorded during the heated Olkalao by-elections campaigns, allegedly showing David Gikaria breaking down the distribution of bribes to members of the public and misleading voters about identification requirements on election day. The court order comes only days after another High Court decision temporarily suspended the enforcement of a 1.5 million fine imposed by the IEBC against Tipipiri MP Wanjiku Muhia for allegedly breaching the Electoral Code of Conduct. And KTN Nairobi.
Nearly 1 week now, a bitter standoff between Nairobi County Government and Kenya Power has left thousands of traders in uncertainty after electricity to Marikiti Market was disconnected